All right, find the slope of the line that passes through 5, 4 and negative 4, 3. So let's remember that slope is the change in y over change in x. Okay, so I'm going to show you two different ways to do these. So the first way is just to think about it. I went from 4 to 3. That's down 1. That's the change in the y's. And then the x's, I went 5 to negative 4. Okay, we went from 5 to negative 4. That's down 9. So my slope here is 1/9. Okay, a negative divided by a negative is a positive. Now, we could do a little bit more mathematically. The change in y is going to be 13 minus 8. Right? Change in means subtraction, so 13 minus 8 over 9 minus 10. And that's going to give me 5 over negative 1. Okay. Now, I could have, if you notice, I did 13 minus 8 and 9 minus 10. I could have done the other way around, 8 minus 13 and 10 minus 9. And if you notice, I end up with negative 5 as well. Okay. I've always just done it the second number minus the first number because that's how I think of subtraction. But the slope, no matter what, is negative 5. Okay. Let's try this one. The change in y over the change in x. So the y's, negative 20 to negative 20, there's no change at all. And then 1 minus 2 or 2 minus 1, it kind of doesn't matter. 1 minus 2. I get 0 over negative 1. 0 divided by anything is 0. Okay. Number 11. Okay. Change in y over the change in x. So I went from 6 to negative 4. That's down 10. I went from 12 to negative 8. That's negative 20. So that's going to be 1/2. Positive 1/2. Okay. Now, I'll do it the more mathematical way where we actually subtract. So change in y over change in x. 11 minus 7. 13 minus 13. Oh, that's 4 over 0. In math, you're not allowed to divide by 0. So this is when we just say that there is no slope. Okay. This one is a horizontal line. This one is a straight up and down line. Okay, number 13. All right. Change in y, 17.5 minus 7.5 over 7 minus 3. So I have 10 over 4. You could reduce that to 5/2, or you could write it as 2.5. Either way is fine. Okay. All right, number 14. A line has a slope of 7. One of the points on the line is 3, 5. Which of the following could be another point on the line? Okay, so we need to do some testing. So if we had 3, 5, 1, negative 24, let's take negative 24 minus 5 over negative 1 minus 3. Well, that's going to be negative 29 over negative 4. No. Okay, I have negative 30 minus 5 over negative 2 minus 3. So that's going to be a negative 35 over negative 5. Oh, that is 7. Looks like B is my answer.